Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Katie and today I am coming at you with the last Halloween makeup tutorial for this spooky season. I wanted to do a creepy doll, hence the messed up braids. I tried my best. My hair hasn't been long in a long time, so I have to practice my braiding again, you know what I mean? Before we get started with the tutorial, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. I'd really appreciate it. Let's go ahead and get started with the video. I'm gonna try and do creepy, spooky, I'm not sure. I think I'm just gonna do like I did with last week's video and just go with the flow. I'm still trying really hard to figure out what my setup is actually going to be like now. I feel like I've changed my camera positioning a lot and I'm sorry about that. I'm just trying to figure out what works best. I know that dolls usually have very thin eyebrows, but I'm not shaving off the rest of my eyebrows. This is as far as I'll go. So I'm gonna try and work with what I've got. There we go. Try to make them look thin. This is the best that I can do. I'm gonna go in with white eyeliner and line the waterline on the bottom. I'm gonna go in with my eye primer, just a little bit of it. I'm not gonna put too much eyeshadow on. I'm just gonna take a bright green and put it on the outer corner of my eye. And as always, start off with a little bit and add more. I'm gonna take an angled brush and my white eyeliner and just dip it in there. I'm gonna go under my eyelashes just to make my eyes look a little bit bigger. I am going to take a little bit of setting powder on my foundation brush and kind of put it all over my face to make me appear a little bit lighter. Gonna put a little bit of purple under my eye to look more sleepy. I'm gonna do my lashes. And before I move on to my bottom lashes, take black eyeliner and draw some fake ones. I'm gonna do my bottom lashes. Now I'm gonna take a hot pink and use that to mimic blush, and I'm going to do blush very circularly here. Actually, let me contour before I do that. I'm gonna highlight down the bridge with like a super light concealer. And I'm gonna do the same on my Cupid's bow. I'm gonna highlight the crap out of it. Alright, now back to the hot pink blush. Once you're satisfied with your blush, you're going to want to get some water and face paint and a little thin brush. and I'm going to use a pink to kind of draw a circle around my blush. And I'm gonna go over it with red. And now we're gonna do the cracks. I'm gonna start off with the brush I used to contour and taking some black eyeshadow and stamping it where I want my crosses to be. Not crosses, cracks. Once you're satisfied with your little doodles, you're gonna take that skinny little brush that you used for your pink and dip it into some white, and then lightly go over your black marks. I didn't finish that sentence. Then last but not least, we're going to do the lips. So I really need to invest in some lip liners. I have a ColourPop liquid liner in pink, and you can also use face paint for this as well, but I'm going to like make my lips smaller. Now I'm gonna take a like small lipstick, and if you need more precision, if you need extra precision, you can use like a lip brush. You can take some black paint with a lot of water. I think this is the easiest Halloween makeup you can do, especially out of the videos that I've posted, and I really like it. And I personally think that small lips are a look. I really like it. But I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and I hope you guys have a very spooky Halloween and you guys stay safe. That's it for this week's video, and I'll see you guys next week.